Yo, madam, I say, na mother Obia Swasi, police for inviting me. I was say, na charger, omode ebo me is me na me garam say. Na me produce me lances a ye lease at the chair woman. Say me illegal mining. Na se menye galam se enti me de me lances no e de kire omo ama omo hunu ye de to so bio omo sa ka se me ye adwuma e wo forest ano so me ka kire omo se enye me a me nkonko ye adwuma e wo forest bi ye mu aye so omo evidence a omo betimi ade a kire me na emre bi me apply lances were ho nanso so forestry commission and lands commission and mines commission omo ye say omo de ho na ma forestry commission for so omo nhwe ho enti omo na eye custodian a omo ye responsible a omo hwe eho nko ho da ti so obi ye adwuma wo ho ne ade a enye medimu enye bibia enumu ana yewie ye no omo Emma bill 2 sureties and CID Yama bill CID.
How much is the bill?
I can't say Yama bill 2 sureties.
And only one Juma, Prophet Dr. Benigo Invisible Teaching Hospital.
For your spiritual healing, please come to Nsawamu Ureku Liberty House, where the hospital is located, or Kingdom of God Ministry International or Twase. For further information, please contact the following numbers:
020-859-9576.
Allah, CW1.
You're welcome. We hope you are keeping safe. We hope everything is strong. How are you, sir?
Thank you.
How are you? Good to see you.
Very well.
You're welcome to the CID.
How are you? My lawyer is there.
Your lawyer.
My lawyer is there.
Okay.
My lawyer is there. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, here you are. How do you type that in the But listen, it's okay. It's okay. No drama. No drama, please.
Okay, sir.
Give me a bite.
Sir, yeah.
Okay, Chama. Chama, see. Okay. You're welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We are here for why you are here.
Very briefly, you said you were having conversations with an AG. Have you seen the
No, normally when you come to a public institution like this, you need to make contact with the head of the institution to advertise your presence, and then submit to the details of the office. So I paid courtesy call on the leadership of the institution, and we are waiting for the investigators to call us and start their interrogation. And as I indicated in the morning, so far we have not been submitted to any charges or allegations. So we are open to the discussion.
But the chairman here would not see.
Chairman is around. He is the main character, but he is not the actor. So we are the actors. So we will submit ourselves to your interrogation, awaiting the chairman himself. It is the institution that wants you, and I'm sure you want our story. And the story will be better told by his counsel.
Yo, Madam Ase, na Mada Obia Suswase, police for invited me. I was say, na charger, omode ebo me is me na me galamse. Na me produce me lances a ye lease at the chair woman. Say me illegal mining. Na se menye galamse enti me de me lances no e de kire omo ama omo hunu ye de to so bio omo sa ka se me ye adwuma e wo forest and so me ka kire omo se enye me a me nkonko ye adwuma e wo forest bi ye mu aye so omo evidence a omo betimi e de a kire me na emre bi me apply lances were ho nanso so forestry commission and lands commission and mines commission omo ye say omo de ho na ma forestry commission for so omo nhwe ho enti omo na eye custodian na omo ye responsible a omo hwe eho nko ho da ti so obi ye adwuma wo ho ne ade a enye medimu enye bibia enumu ana yewie ye no omo Emma bill 2 sureties and CCI no Yama bill CID.
How much is the bill?
Anything in an meeting I can't CCI. Aye, Yama me bill 2 sureties. Aye, intimidate. No. Cocoa board. Anya no credit some cocoa board for sika. Obia no sawo ko no wakwakoye road a anya ban na mauska aye wo mum na odi usika ebeko contractor no wo na odi usika beko na odi akwakoye road ubia na highways for no cocoa board for no omo de omo engineers ababe value aye road na awoye no na omo de boa rate a omo de ma wo no na omo de atoso ye free BB certificate no ma raise. Many cocoa board for contracts. Ne will say 28 days they should pay me. But ye raise we no. It take about 3 years and say no Omutuami ka. So cocoa board cannot tell me say na omo ni Wuntumi ka. Obia no so obeye ke tu obeye ke si o na mpaso. So obia no kwakoye adwuma de. Me dwen say adwuma nya de a eye bone. Madam Ase.